Today topic 22 April. April 22, this is day all the famous people who are born. April 22 is this day 1451 Isabella I, Queen of Castile. 1592 William Sicard, German, Plymouth. 1707 Henry Finding, English novelist and playwright. 1724 Immanuel Kant, German philosopher. 1766 German de Stael, French philosopher and writer. April 22 is this day. 1854 Henri La Fontaine, a Nobel Prize winning Belgian lawyer. 1817 Vladimir Lenin, Marxist, Soviet revolutionary and communist politician. 1876 Robert Barney, Nobel Prize winning Australian physicist. 1893 Surendra Mohan Ghosh is one of the leader of the freedom fighter and Jugantur Dal. 1899 Vladimir Nabokov, Russian American author. April 22 is this day. 1904 Robert Oppenheimer, American physicist. 1909 Rita Levi Monteagni, Nobel Prize winning Italian Navy. 1913 Bertil Mollberg, Swedish linguist. 1916 Kanan Devi is an Indian actor and singer. 1919 Donald James Crum, Nobel Prize winning American chemist. April 22 is this day. 1929 Michel Francis Atiyah, English mathematician. 1973 Jack Nicholson, American actor. 1941 Amir Newali, Israeli computer scientist. 1943 Janet Levonovich, American author. 1945 Gopal Krishna Gandhi, Indian intellectual and Governor of the West Bengal. April 22 is this day. 1957 Donald Tusk, Polish politician and historian. 1959 Ranjan Modugali, Sri Lankan cricketer. 1916 Matt Ladd, Estonian politician and 9th Prime Minister. 1974 Chetan Bhagat, Indian novelist, registrar, speaker and screenwriter. 1977 Mark van Bommel, Dutch footballer. April 22 is this day. 1981 Jonathan Troth, English cricketer. 1982 Kaká, Brazilian footballer. 1987 David Luiz, Brazilian footballer. 1918 John Avi Mikel, Nigerian footballer. 1989 Jesper Killens, Dutch footballer. 1992 Florence Stromer wins the South African Miss World title. April 22 is this day. All the celebrity has died. April 22 is this day. 545 Gautam Buddha statement. 1616 Mughal the Travenest Saavedra, Spanish novelist, poet and playwright. 1782 Annie Bonny, Israel, female poetry. 1833 Richard Trevithick, English engineer and explorer. 1892 Edward Lalo, Francis novelist and composer. April 22 is this day. 1899 Ned George, Australian international cricketer. 1908 Henry Campbell Bannerman, Scottish English merchant, politician and Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. 1933 Henry Rocky, motorist. 1945 Cathy Kolbetig, German printer and sculptor. 1983 Lamberto Mugerian, Italian actor. April 22 is this day. 1930 Harigopal Bal, Bengali moderate revolutionary of the anti-British independence movement. Madhu Das Datta, Bengali moderate revolutionary of the anti-British independence movement. Pauline Chandra Ghosh, Bengali martyred revolutionary of the anti-British independence movement. Nirmal Lala, a Bengali martyred revolutionary of the anti-British independence movement. Tripura Sengupta, Bengali martyred revolutionary of the anti-British independence movement. April 22 is this day. 1986 Marcia Eliot, Romanian historian and author. 1989 Emilio Gino Sargeri, Italian physicist. 1994 Richard Nixon, the United States 37th President. 1998 Ayatollah Murtaza Purujaridi, eminent scholar in Iraq. 2003 Tarapad Swimmer, Bengali archaeologist and folklore expert. April 22 is this day. 2006 Alida Bhali, Italian actors. 2008 Shipra Basu, Bengali singer. 2002 Shirley Kingt, 16 American actors. Sadat Hussain, Bengali bureaucrat and Nith, chairman of the Bangladesh Public Service Commission. April 22 is this day. All those special events happen. April 22 is this day. 1358 establishment of democracy in the Islamic Republic of Iraq. 15 Pedro Alvarenga Cabral discovered Brazil. 1662 the Royal Society of formed in London. 18 1834, St. Helena becomes part of the British Empire. 1857, South Australian first Parliament conversion. April 22 is this day. 1819, Cubans revolt against Spanish rule. 1912, Pravda is published in St. Petersburg, Russia. 1915, Germany began using Pioneer gas in World War I. 1930, frontal battle with British troops on the Jalalabad Hills in Chittagong under the leadership of revolutionary Mustarda Surya Sen. April 22 is this day. 1944, Allied force enter New Guinea during World War II. 1948, illegal state Zionist Israel attacked the port city of Haifa in northwestern Palestine. 1917, U.S. Senator Claude Nelson Industries North Day. 1988, revolution between the PLO and Syria returned to normal after 5 years of hostilities. 1998, Disney Animal World opens in Orlando, Florida, USA. April 22 days Earth Day. Thank you everyone watching my all video. Please subscribe and click the bell button to get new video right away. Like and comment and share with your friend. Bye bye.